Welcome back to another deal video here at Harbor Freight. I'm going to cover the deals they just released for the new Dollar Days coupons. The first deal is they're actually out of stock on here. It's on the Pittsburgh 6-inch utility caliper, normally priced at $1.99. It's a plastic cheap caliper. With this coupon, it's going to be $1, so it's 49% off. But I would not expect it to be very accurate caliper, so use discretion on what you would use it for. Calipers that are more pricey and more accurate. The next deal is on the Hallmaster 31-inch EPDM tie down. So it's like a rubber bungee cord, but it's a different material, the EPDM. It is normally priced at $2, but on this you can actually save 49% on that as well. So it's only gonna be $1. And it does have a limit of 4 that you can get. And this one here will be a decent pickup. It's the Gordon large snap blade utility knife. It's heavy duty construction, an ergonomic rubberized hand grip. It's normally priced at $2.29, but you'll be able to save 56% on that, making it only $1. And that also has a limit of 4 that you can get with this coupon. The next deal is on the Harbor Freight brand of the 3/4 inch by 8.5 foot long double-sided mounting tape, normally priced at $2.99. With the coupon, you'll be able to pick it up for only $1. That's saving 66%. It also has a limit of 4 that you can get with that coupon. The next deal's on the Pittsburgh 3-inch C-clamp with a lifetime warranty. This is normally priced at $3.99. With the coupon, you can save 24% on that, so it's only $3. And before I move forward to the next deals, remember this weekend, 30% off deal for ITC members will be anything for under $20. A limit of 5 items, and everyone else, non-ITC members, will be $10 and under. So if you're not saving the minimum of 30% off on the Dollar Days coupons, then consider picking up the items with that 30% off deal through Sunday. The next deal's on the 10-inch steel tent stakes. It's a 6-pack of them. They are normally priced at $5. With the coupon, you are only saving 19%, so it's $4. So again, if you go this weekend, then you can save 30% on them instead. The next deal is on the Pittsburgh 15-inch flat pry bar. So you got the curved in on the one side and then the straight in on the other, and it has a built-in nail puller. That is normally priced at $4. With the coupon, you would only be saving 24%, so it would be priced at $3. But again, if you go this weekend, you can save 30% instead. They do have a deal on the Pittsburgh 6-inch diagonal cutters that are normally priced at $3.99. They do have a lifetime warranty. With the coupon, you would be saving 49% on that, priced at $2. Next deal's on the Vanguard 3-way grounded adapter. So you turn your extension cord into a 3-way outlet. That's normally priced at $3. With the coupon, you can save 33% on that, so it's only $2. Next up is the Pittsburgh 3/8 drive 4-piece impact extension set. So it includes 1 3/4 inch, 2.5 inch, 5.5 inch, and 8.25 inch extensions for the 3/8. It is normally priced at $8. With the coupon, you're saving 49%, so it's only $4. That's an awesome deal on that. I might pick these up for my Milwaukee stubby impact wrench. Next up is the Pittsburgh 3/8 drive 17-inch breaker bar. And this also has a lifetime warranty on, and it is normally priced at only $13. With the coupon, you can save 30% on it, priced at $9. And next up is the Merlin Air Tool Oil. It's a 16-ounce bottle of it, priced at $6 normally. With the coupon, you can save 33% on it, making it $4. Next deal is on the Pittsburgh 11-inch swivel pad C-clamp locking pliers. These also have a lifetime warranty on them, and they're normally priced at $9. The coupon saves you 33% on them, making it $6. And they do have a good deal on the Hallmaster 1-inch by 15-foot long ratcheting tie downs. They are rated at 400-pound working load, and they're only priced at $13. With the coupon, you can save 38% on them, making it $8. So it's an excellent deal. And they do have a deal on the 4 mil thick blue tarp that's 9'4" by 11'4". It is normally priced at $8. With the coupon, you can save 24%, so it makes it $6. So again, if you go this weekend, you can save 30% on it instead. The next deal is on the Luminar Outdoor 11-inch solar LED bronze finish lantern. It does have a really small solar panel there on the top, so I'm not sure how efficient that is at charging up, but it is normally priced at $8. With the coupon, you can save 37%, so it'll be priced at $5. And if you're enjoying this video so far, I would appreciate it if you give it a thumbs up and consider hyping the video if you're on a mobile device. and also consider subscribing for more deal videos like this I do here in the future. Thanks so much for the support. The next deal is on the Storehouse V-shape hang-all. They're normally priced at $3 for that. With the coupon, you save 33%, so priced at $2. They are rated at 44-pound max capacity, and it has 4 mounting holes pre-drilled into the steel. So this would be great for storing hoses or maybe ladders even, and other bulky items like that. The next deal is on the 1-inch roller ball bearing. It has a working load of 132 pounds. It is made of steel construction, and it's multi-directional ball bearing, so you can put different items on it. It has 2 mounting holes on it. It is normally priced at $2. With a coupon, you can save 49% on that, making it $1. The next deal is on the Thunderbolt lithium button cell batteries, CR 2032s, so 4-pack of them, and they're 3-volt rated. So they're normally priced at $4. With a coupon, you can save 24% on it, making it $3. But again, this weekend you can save 30% on them. And the next deal is on the Grants microfiber towels that are 16 by 16 in size. They come in the purple and like neon green color there. They're normally priced at $10. With a coupon, you can save 29% on them, making it $7. And there is a limit of 4 that you can get with this coupon. And the next good deal is on this Pittsburgh oil pan with a built-in spout, so that'd make easy pouring out of the used oil. It is made of durable polyethylene construction, molded handles for easy carrying as well. So pretty decent little oil pan. It is normally priced at $8.49. With the coupon, you can save 41% on that, making it $5. And this next coupon is on the 1/4-inch male or female steel automotive plugs in the 1/4-inch size. So your options there. They're both normally priced at $2.49 each. With the coupon, you can save 19% on that, making it $2. And there's a limit of 4 with this coupon as well. But again, this weekend deal, the 30% off would be a better deal at that time. All right, the next deal is on the ratcheting workhorse hard hat. It is normally priced at $12. Now with this coupon, you can save 33% on that, making it $8. And the last Dollar Days coupon they are offering is on the Warrior 1/4-inch cordless screwdriver kit. So it is rechargeable. It has a plug with it. It has forward and reverse driving. Even has a built-in LED light for improved visibility. This is only priced at $10. With a coupon, you can save 19%. So it's only $8. Now again, in the market for something like this, go for the 30% off deal this weekend, unless of course you're watching this video after that weekend. So definitely better to save 30%, which would be $3 off then, making it $7. All right, so those are gonna be the Dollar Days coupons they just released. And again, you do have until February 11th for these deals. So be sure to go online, either print the coupons out or go on the app, and you can save the coupons to your phone and then use them in the store. But you will need the coupons for them. All right, if you enjoyed this video, I would appreciate it. Give it a thumbs up and consider hyping the video if you're on a mobile device. I really appreciate you guys watching, and I hope you have a great day. Thanks so much.